Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on phone noise cancellation, so how to make your phone calls more private on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to click on the settings, open settings, then swipe down a little bit and tap on accessibility. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and go to audio and visual. So here, the fourth option is phone noise cancellation. When you turn this feature on, your noise cancellation reduces ambient noise on phone calls when you are holding the receiver to your ear. So if you are making a phone call and just holding your iPhone to your ear as normally, the iPhone is going to cut out all the noises and all the voices around you. So even if someone is talking to you from, let's say, 2 meters away or 3 meters, or you're in the office, the iPhone is going to cut out those voices, and the receiver of the call, the someone that calls you or you are calling, so just the person of the other side on the call, is not going to hear those voices. So this is a really useful feature. So again, how to get to those settings. So open settings, swipe down, tap on accessibility, swipe down, tap on audio and visual, and here turn on the phone noise cancellation. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!